Hi there, this is Joseph Strydom coming to you from Cape Town, South Africa. Today I want to show you that when you join, what you get for your money. Yes, this is a very expensive business, the virtual wealth system. In fact, it is so expensive. It is free. Yes, so I want to show you this expensive but absolutely free platform. And this is when you join, you will get your own company page that will be sent to you. And basically, you will get this page where the owner, Alonzo Brown, welcomes you and explains to you how it works. This is a downline builder and it promotes your links, and also you can, inside of this downline builder, you can put 5 of your own businesses inside. So in this video here, it gives you about 10 minutes of what the business is all about and how it works, and he shows you all the businesses that you can join. Of course, if you are already a member of, say for instance, Keep It Simple Simon, then you don't have to go and join it again. You just use your username or the ID depending on the business, and then you just incorporate it into the system. So there's no need for you to start all over again if you're already a member of one of the businesses. So there is the businesses in our downline builder, and very, very well built businesses, and they are all more than 2 years old, so they have withstand the rigors of the internet, and we are proud to be associated with them. And then you also will see here a free bonus that you will get. This is a website that Alonzo has built, personal growth and development, because he believes that you should not only have a business, but you should also develop yourself. And then, as I said earlier, this is my company site, and there is my 5 businesses that I've added, and this exactly is what you can do. You can add your 5 best businesses in here, and then they promote that together with the other businesses in here, and you're only going to do that with one link. You don't have to now promote this one and this one and this one and so on. You can only also put in your Twitter, your Facebook, and your blog, and you just fill in this simple form here, and then you will receive your own company site that is then in your name, and you can start immediately. You'll get your link with it, and immediately you can start using one link to promote all of these businesses, and Alonzo explains it there to you. Then what he has also provided you, once again free of charge, this is a splash page that you can request from him, and then you can then use this as well to, when you in the traffic exchanges and so on, then you can use this to promote your virtual wealth system. And all you have to do, you ask people, and Alonzo says it also here in his 1 minute and 25 seconds video. He says that when you click on any of the banners, you will be taken to your replicated website of the company. So if I click over here, you will see, you will come again to the replicated site that I've shown you just a while ago.
I want to welcome you.
Just stop that and see it goes directly to your replicated company website. And now we've actually, or not us, Alonso has gone further, and he has now created a capture page. For those of you who are serious and wants to build your own list, he has now made a capture page for all of us, and it's integrated. Here you can see traffic wave. It's also integrated with all the big email services like Aweber and what is that, response something, I can't now remember the name. Oh my word, now I'm a bit embarrassed. But all of the big email marketing companies where you can collect people's names and email addresses, you can then collect that from them and then build up your list, and so nurture your list and create a relationship with the people that sign up with you. So this is the latest that Alonso has created for us, a lead capture page. And once again he says that fill out the form and take Alonso's free video, and obviously that is going to be the video that is going to go to this system here, and here he'll give you a video tour of the business. Just to come back to the capture page, all that he asks you is that if you are, for instance, with traffic wave, or if you are with what is it, chipmonkey, I think. My words is now really escaping me. But all the big guys like Aweber and so on, you must just send him your code, and then he will provide you with this capture page, and together with this he will send you an email that you can then that he explain to you how to send the code and all of that. So just shows you that every time Alonso is giving us more and more, and this is of course all included in your monthly subscription, which of course is free. Yes, our platform is free. So he's really providing us with value, and that is why I really like the system. You don't have to pay, and every time he just provides for us more and more, and I just love it. So I suggest that you as a member of that, firstly you become a member of the virtual wealth system, and then request either the capture page or the the splash page from Alonso, and then take it from there and start your business, and really come and share the wealth, share the experience that we've had with Alonso. Come and share the abundance and the prosperity that we have with the virtual wealth system. All right, so have a look at the bottom of this video, my page where you can sign up, and then all of these can be yours. Remember, we are here to serve you. Myself and Alonso, we are available. He is a very good admin. His support is excellent, and the product that he's got is excellent. So come and join us. Bye-bye.